In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete a note in Evernote. If you've ever cleaned up your notes and realized that simply moving something to the trash doesn't fully remove it, this walkthrough is for you. We'll go step by step through the Evernote web app so you can permanently remove any notes you no longer need and keep your workspace tidy and secure. Start by opening Evernote in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're in, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see the main sidebar where you can access your notes, notebooks, shortcuts, and other sections. Near the bottom or middle of that sidebar, depending on your layout, you'll find the option to view more sections. Click on this area to expand the full menu if it isn't already visible. In that expanded sidebar, look for the trash section. This is where Evernote sends any notes you've deleted but not yet removed forever. Click on Trash to open it. You should now see a list of all the notes that are currently in the trash for your account. Browse through this list and find the note you want to permanently delete. Take a moment here to double check that this is truly a note you no longer need. Once a note is permanently deleted, you won't be able to recover it, so it's worth confirming that there's nothing important in it, like passwords or information you may need later. When you've identified the correct note, click on it once to select it. This will open a preview of the note on the right side of the screen. With the note selected, look for the 3 vertical dots, usually located near the top of the note pane. These 3 dots represent the More Options menu for that note. Click on the 3 dots to open the Options menu. A small drop-down will appear with several actions you can take. In this list, find and click on Delete Permanently. Evernote may ask you to confirm that you really want to permanently delete the note. If a confirmation message appears, read it carefully,